So this is the VIVO mobile TV cart, and it's a must-have if you're looking for flexibility and convenience for your TV setup. And before we dive in, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more honest reviews. Whether you have a 32-inch or a massive 83-inch screen, this cart can handle it all with ease, supporting up to 100 pounds. What I love most is how mobile it is. Thanks to the sturdy wheels, you can effortlessly move your TV room from one room to another. Perfect for gaming in the living room or catching a movie in the bedroom. You can adjust the height too. It's great for when I'm doing the dishes. Since my kitchen is opposite the TV, we can simply roll the cart over and watch TV while I do the dishes. You can easily set it up at the perfect viewing angle, whether you're sitting on the couch or standing in a presentation. Plus, it's got a shelf for your devices, making it perfect for organizing a gaming console or maybe your soundbar. But if you're tired of fixed wall mounts and want something versatile that works in any room, this TV cart is your solution. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.